friends, welcome and welcome back. I hope you are good and doing well. This is Tejashwini and today you will be learning the formation of images by the convex and the concave lenses. So let's begin. So now the formation, ray diagrams of the formation of image with the convex lenses. The first case says that the object is between O and F1. Means the object is between this optical center and F1. Okay, now according to the rules what we have learned is that when the incident ray comes parallel, then it crosses through F2. When the incident ray passes through the optical center, then what happens? It goes straight. So now over here you can see, that these rays are not meeting, they are getting diverged. So if we draw the dotted line at the back, see like this. So at this particular point these are meeting. So over here an image is formed. What we will name it as A dash and B dash. Right? So according to this ray diagram, image location is same side of object. Same side of object. Okay. The nature of the image, see, it is virtual and direct. Now, see, it is virtual and erect. What we did in the mirrors, means the spherical mirrors, if the image was formed on the left side, what we considered it as real and inverted. But in the lens, what happens is that if the image is formed on the left hand side, means on the side of the object, then it is virtual and erect. Then size of the object, as you can see, the size is enlarged. So enlarged. Now the second case, object placed at F1. So now the object is placed at, incident ray will go parallel. Okay. Then it will pass through the F2, means the principal focus. Then the one incident ray will pass from optical center. So what you can see in this, that these two rays are going parallel. How they are going? They are going parallel. Okay. So what conclusion we can get? So image location is at infinity, because since they are not joining anywhere, so they will join in infinity. Then nature of image. So nature of image will be real and inverted. Real, inverted. Size of the image. Since they will meet at infinity, their size will be highly enlarged. So now let's move to the next case. Case says object is between F1 and 2F1. Means the object is somewhere over here. So the incident ray will go like this. Then pass through focus. Then one incident ray will go from the optical center. Okay. And over here at this particular point they are meeting. Right, at this point they are meeting, and this is B dash and then A dash. So this signifies that the image is inverted. So image location beyond 2F1. Then nature of image, real inverted. image enlarged, size में बड़ी होगी image. Then next, now over here you can see that when the image is on the right side, then it is real, right? And in the spherical mirrors, what we did was, when the image was on the left side, then the image was real. But in the lens, it's vice versa. Then object is at 2f1, means over here. Incident ray pass through focus. Then incident ray which will pass through optical center. Okay, so if we the image, the two refracted rays are intersecting over this point, and the image is formed where? At 2f2. Now we can name it as B dash and A dash. Then image location. Image location is at 2f2. Then nature of image. Nature of image is real inverted. Size of the image will be same as object. Okay, like in mirrors, what we have done, when the image was at the center of curvature, then when the object was at the center of curvature, then the image was also formed at the center of curvature, and at what size? Same size. So in this also, lenses also, if the object is at 2f1, then the image will be formed at 2f2 and that of the same size. Let's move to the fifth case. Now the fifth case, object is beyond f1. So now the object is over here, means it's neither at f1 nor 2f1, it's beyond 2f1. So the incident ray will go like this. Pass through f2. Then a ray will go from the optical center straight through the optical center. It will go and they will meet over here. Okay, they will meet over here. Means it will meet between f2 and 2f2. Then what we can conclude? Image location between f2 and 2f2. Then nature of image. Nature is real inverted. Real and inverted. Then size of image. See, before the size was enlarged. Then it came when the object was at 2f1, the image was also at 2f2. Then how the image was formed? It was of same size. Okay. Now the image size will start decreasing. The image size will start decreasing. Okay. So size of image is diminished. Then next one, object is at infinity, means the rays are coming somewhat like this, parallel from infinity, and when the rays come parallel to the principal axis, they meet at the focus, means principal focus, that is f2. So the image will be formed at principal focus. So image location is at f2. Nature of image is real inverted. then size of image will be point size or highly diminished. So what you notice, that when the object is moving far from the lens, the image is moving towards the lens, and that too earlier the size was enlarged now, and after passing the 2f2 the size has begun to get diminished. When the object is brought closer to the lens, the size of the image will get increased and it will go far from the lens. When you will take the object far from the lens, the image will come towards the lens, and that too diminished size. Now the ray diagram of the concave lens. So in concave lens just two ray diagrams are there, and the concave lens, how we did the convex mirror, in the mirror portion virtual and erect images were formed. Like that only in the concave lens the images will be formed virtual and erect, and that too they will be diminished. So object is placed between infinity and O, means anywhere between infinity and the optical center. Okay. Now a parallel ray will come like this, right? Then what will happen? It will get diverged, right? So a dotted line is like this. It will get diverged. Why? Because it is a concave lens. Then one ray will pass through the optical center, right? One ray will pass through the optical center, and it will be passing straight. So the image is formed over here, and that too diminished. Okay, and the name is A dash and B dash. Now what we can figure out from this, image location between f1 and optical center. Then nature of image virtual erect. Virtual and erect. Then size of the image diminished. Okay, the size of image is diminished. Then next one is saying that object is placed at infinity. So the parallel rays will come like this. Parallel rays will come like this, and they will get diverged. Means they will come till here and then they will get diverged. Now if we draw a dotted line at the back like this, okay, if we draw a dotted line at back, we will find that the image is formed at f1. So image location is at f1. Then nature of image is virtual erect. Virtual erect. Size of image is point sized. Okay. So these were the two ray diagrams of the concave lens. Now these were the ray diagrams of the concave and the convex lens. If you like the video, then click on the like button, share it with your friends, and comment down in the comment box, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.